Alright, so since may mga master tayo dyan na idol si Miss Gigi Delana, si Master Gigi, and ako honestly idol ko na din siya kasi napakalupit nga naman ng kanyang mga nakita kong awitin o mga kanta niya, yung quality ng boses, yung character niya na medyo rock, alam mo yun, napakaangas, tsaka yung dating ni Master Gigi. Kaya kailangan natin i-check to, yung kanyang unholy version o cover ni Master Gigi. So wala na ba tumpik-tumpik pa? Umpisa na natin agad to. Kung trip nyo yung mga ganitong content ni Master Gigi, subscribe na kayo kasi madami yan, men. So let's go! Unholy!
Wait, di ako ready.
So meron ngayon tong 5.8 million views. The fuck? Oh! Intro pa lang, pre. So live band. Everything is live. Alright. Ano yun? Practice lang, practice.
Okay. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot.
Alright. So tanggalin lang natin yung caption, no? I don't like captions, my guy. I like na sinignalan niya yung band na ganito yung tempo. Ganyan. Grabe, no? Napakaangas live, pre, ha? Ginanon niya. Angas nun, men. Ang lupit din nung banda kasi nakuha nila.
Mommy don't know that it's getting hot. At the body shop, doing something unholy.
Takasan natin, tangin ang lupit. Ooh, bruh. Wait lang, wag na muna nating start, no? Gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang sexy pakinggan. Napaka-yummy niya sa tenga, ang sarap-sarap. Mas lalong gumaganda si Miss Gigi sa paningin ko. Totoo, men! Kahit ikaw alam mo yan, nung narinig mo yung men, ang lupit. Okay, let's go. Bruh!
She got married to a boy like you. She'd kick you out if she ever knew. But all the fuss, it tell me that you don't. Dirty boy. You know everyone is talking all the same. I hear them whispering about the places that you've been and how you don't know how to keep your business clean. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. He sat back while she's dropping it. She be popping it. Yeah, she put it down slowly. Mommy don't know.
Man, wait lang. Alright, so wow, man. Man, nakalimutan kong huminga ng ilang segundo sa throughout that freaking song. That's amazing, bro. One thing na pinakagusto ko bukod sa ganda ng boses niya, obvious naman na malupit yung boses ni Miss Gigi, is yung mismong character ng kanyang boses, yung character niya bilang performer, tsaka yung ano niya, yung charisma niya o yung atake niya sa mga galaw, gestures, the way she ano ba tawag dyan, projects herself. Napakaangas nun. So eto din, kailangan ko din tong i-acknowledge yung lupit ng banda. Ang galing nila sa sobrang nandun yung chemistry, kaya sobrang swerte din nila sa isa't isa, si Miss Gigi tsaka yung banda na to. Sobrang may chemistry sila, yun lang masasabi ko. Ang ganda ni Miss Gigi dito. Ang angas ng hairstyle niya, no? Napaka-unorthodox ng hairstyle na dito, alright. Pang ano talaga, men? Pang rock and roll talaga yung mga ganyang hairstyle. Pang rock, let's go. Pang's not dead. Men, narinig mo yung electric guitar? What the F? That's amazing. What the F yung kanyang, inano niya pa, in-improvise niya pa lalo yung kanyang character. Sa, ginanon niya pa lalo, mas sinikipan niya pa lalo yung ginanon niya pa lalo at sobrang angas yung naging epekto. Napansin ko lang dito, she's reading something. Here. She's reading something. So may possibility na hindi niya pa to 100% memorize. Hindi niya pa 100% kakabisado. What the F, bro? Ganito ka-amazing yung performance at hindi niya pa 100% kabisado. What the F? That blows my freaking mind.
Get up, I'll be gone on the AM and he give me pride and give me new like Rihanna. He always call me cause I never cause no drama. And when you want it, baby, I know you got your covered. And when you need it, baby, just drop it on the covers. And mommy
What the F, bro? Rinig mo yun? Pre, rock yun. What the F? Ang angas noon, bro. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Pare,
I never cause no drama. And when you want it, baby, I know you got your covered. And when you need it, baby, just drop it on the covers. And mommy don't know that it's getting hot. Everybody shout, doing something unholy. He said back while she's dropping it. She be dropping it. Yeah, she put it down slowly. Oh, mommy don't know that it's getting hot. Everybody stop doing something unholy. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot.
man, how did they get that? How did they freaking get that shit? Ha? Paano nila na-gets yun? Sinignalan lang sila ng ganon. Tapos guess na nila na dapat i-decrease yung, decrease yung sound. What the F? Ganon yung chemistry ng isang bandang malupit, man. At wow, ang galing-galing talaga mag-perform ni Miss Gigi. Kahit nakaupo, ramdam na ramdam mo kayo. Pag ganon no? Napakaangas siguro, I'm sure, napakagaling at napakalupit nito sa live performance. So, wala sa mga concert niya, 'di ba? So, sulit siguro yung bayad, men. Balik natin yung yung part na eto.
Should be popping. Yes, it boy,
What the F is that, bro? How do you do that shit, bro? That's amazing. The F? Tapos yung control narinig, man, ito yung isa sa pinakamahirap sa pagkanta kung kumakanta ka, yung control. Yung control mo kasi pag humihina yung pag humihina yun pare, mas lalong mahirap yan siya i-stay dun sa note na yun. Lalo na sa boses ni Miss Gigi na ginaganon niya yung boses na mahirap yung control na yun pre. So props for that, bro. That's amazing. Let's go. Fuck! Man, ang instrumental. Can you hear that electric guitar din, pre? What the F? Man, nababalo na din yung banda. Let's go. What the F, man? Kung si Mike Enriquez nasabi niya, ang sarap mo, Pia. Man, ang sarap niya pakinggan. Ang sarap na. By the way, rest in peace kay Sir Mike Enriquez. Siyempre, memories yan, man. That's OG. Let's go. The fuck, bro? What the fuck? That's it, my guy. What can I say? The performance talks about it itself. The performance says it all. 'Di ba? Kita mo naman, pre. Parang napakabastos pa akong magsasabi pa ako kung anong tingin ko doon kasi yun na yun, man. Yun na yung tingin niya sa sarili niya. What the fuck is that, bro? Ha? Ha? For me, that's one of the rare cases na merong 100% performance sa isang kanta na kinanta ng isang tao. 100%. That's one of the rare cases. That's it. That shit is 100% for me. What the F is that? That's fucking amazing, bro. That's just it, bro. Man, what the fuck?